ELECMAN One-piece universal strut clamp is used to secure EMT, MC, and rigid conduit to strut channel in industrial and commercial wiring projects. Made of electro-galvanized steel and realistic, its pre-assembled integrated design prevents missing components. It allows swift installation and offers reliable, stable pipeline support with available sizes from ½ inch to 4 inches. First, insert 2 button locking hooks into the open slot of the strut channel. Then rotate and seat the hooks fully inside the channel lip. You can slide the clamp freely along the channel to adjust the position before tightening. Now lay the EMT conduit into the curved setting of the clamp. Tighten the competitive top screw. You need a screwdriver. Turn the screw clockwise until the setting firmly presses against the EMT conduit. You can use the same method to install MC conduit and rigid conduit with this one-piece universal strut clamp.